Porsche washed. It's been through track days. It's been through about 4 days of rain here in Greenville. And now we have beautiful sunny weather. So we're gonna go see Kevin, get the car washed and cleaned up, and then later today we are taking a trip down to Winder, Georgia. We're flying down there to pick up the Aerostar and bringing it back to Greenville. So got a busy day today, and stay tuned, check it out. There you go. Just let it sit on for a second. I don't know if it's you let it sit there for a second. Sometimes it cranks right up, and then other times you sit it there, and like right now try to turn it and it probably.
You know, we use your soap. We, you know, do how you tell us to do it, but
Is that a glove that you just get in and wash with that?
it's just microfiber. It's much easier to just use your fingers.
Yeah, oh man, you get in tight places, yeah.
Get intimate with the wheels.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Dylan, where are we going?
We're going flying. We're heading to Georgia, picking up your plane.
Yeah.
And then we're shooting some fun stuff along the way.
Where's Charlie? Oh, there's 3 Charlie X-ray. This is our Uber ride right here.
It's a nice little Uber. Hey everybody, we just got on the plane, getting ready to do some pre-flight inspections, take off, and we'll show you more in a few. Alright y'all, we're just getting ready to take off here. It's my first time in a plane this size. I'm really excited. This is really cool. I'm so excited. I don't know if y'all can see this, but the turbulence in the air is absolutely awesome. We'll jump around here and try to keep the camera still for you. This is so cool. But yeah, like I was saying, we're going to get Vince's plane. We're just hop, skip, and jump from South Carolina where we're at over to Georgia, grabbing his plane, and then coming back here. So yeah, I mean, we just wanted to catch y'all up on what we do every day. Kind of a day in life type of thing. This is part of it. And we're gonna go fly and then get back and see some cool times. Awesome stuff so far, but we're getting ready to come down right now. Let's see if you guys can see this. And there you have it. Smooth like jelly. Nice little flight, huh?
Yes, sir. Smooth.
We just landed down here in Georgia.
3 Charlie X-ray, smooth.
Here's Vince's plane right there. We're gonna go hop in her. Let me make sure I have my camera. And here we are. This thing's a little bit faster than this one. Just a little bit, so he's all worried about leaving before us so we can get home sooner. But yeah, it was about a 33-minute flight out here. Then we're about 20 minutes back. Really cool though. We're just outside of Atlanta. I was trying to get some videos for y'all on the way in, but I couldn't quite get them. But the skyscrapers and everything from that distance out looks crazy. But fun little day here. Like I said, good weather. Can't beat it. I mean, not many people get to fly around and do stuff like this, so this is really cool. I know it's a little bit different content than what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be doing a ton of classic cars, a ton of stuff with, you know, Vince's R8, with his GT3, with my Supra. And they have a lot of friends, a lot of cool cars. We're gonna be doing awesome stuff with that. So be on the lookout for that. But this is just something cool extra to show you guys too. Just a day in the life type of thing. But yeah, he's getting his plane started up right here. There that goes. Cars, planes, all sorts of events we're gonna be doing. We're already talking about in January flying down to the Rolex 24K and doing some really cool stuff with that with our cars, and taking Vince's plane. So here we go again. Very, very cool. You know, and what was crazy was on the way in here, you don't really see this. If you've never flown on a small plane before coming into an airport like this, the amount of planes coming through is crazy. There was planes we were looking for here and there, and at the same altitude as us, not moving. So it's almost like, the only thing I can compare it to is when you're driving a boat and you gotta keep looking around for boats in the vicinity. But this is all in the air, and it's crazy. When you're up in the air, these planes look like birds almost at a distance coming at you, and you gotta be careful. Here he is taking off. Super, super cool things. We'll say bye to him. Let's do this thing. Can I step on here?
Yep.
So then we have landed back in Greenville.
I don't know if they're gonna be able to hear you.
All right, we have landed, everybody. Here we are. Here's the plane back at the hangar. We're just coming in here now. Just got off. I'm gonna take you into just a couple cool little things in here. We got a cool little hovercraft. This thing is insane. The GT3. Look at this thing. We got the plane, we got a helicopter right here. All sorts of little goodies. Vince is going to grab the roller to roll the plane back on in here. Look how strong he just got. We gotta get Vince in a strongman competition. Alrighty, we're back at the GT3. He's about to give it a nice little start. We'll see if there's a cold start or anything, but we're gonna hop in this thing. He's gonna bring me over to my Supra. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He sounds good.
I have to remember at the shopping in here to turn off the radio for copyright.
Yeah.
You know?
Fun little afternoon though. What do you think?
Fun.
Yeah.
I need a little quick flight to Winder, Georgia. Hopefully the hydraulic leak is fixed after years and years.
Well, dude, I gotta say, this is the first time I've been in the GT3. This thing is sweet. I can't wait to get these cars out, my car and your cars and everybody else's, out on a drive one day.
Yeah, Paul went today by himself.
That's what he was saying. He wanted me to go with him, and I said, oh, I'm sorry, man. I already got plans with Vince.
Yeah, Paul's flown with me. I've got him back up in the air. He's a pilot, but he broke his wrist on a motorcycle when he's been out for a year trying to get his medical and all that back. So
yeah, he showed me the video of him getting in that accident. That's crazy. The lady turned in front of him. So that event in January, 24K Rolex?
yes.
Rolex 24K? What's that about?
So actually Actually, it's my first time going, but we got tickets to the Rolex Lounge.
Yeah.
And I got a friend that lives in Daytona that I'm going to meet up with, and I'm taking 2 other friends with me. We're flying down on Friday, come back on Sunday.
Awesome.
And so, you know, I did the Petite Le Mans at Road Atlanta earlier this year, and that was a 10-hour race, and so this is 24, so it's going to be something similar. The cool thing about the Petite Le Mans, the members of the Drivers Club at Road Atlanta, the following Tuesday, we got to do a track day. Yeah. Which we started after lunch instead of before. So our last 2 sessions were in the dark on Road Atlanta. We're the only other people who get to ride Road Atlanta at night.
That's cool.
Other than the Petite Le Mans, which starts at 12 and ends at 10 p.m.
Yeah.
And so that was cool.
I was gonna say that's the long relay, right? You got the endurance race.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's, you know, the different drivers obviously got to keep the car, you know, going for 10 hours, or in the Rolex 24 hours.
Yeah. Woo! Sounds good.
It's all or nothing.
Can't beat a gated car either. Manuals are the best. Yeah, I was thinking about getting the manual Supra they just came out with, but...
So is that a 2022 or 3 or what?
It's 23.
23 coming out?
Yeah, the 23s, they just started taking... Well, they started shipping them a couple months ago.
That's surprising.
People finally started
every
getting
other
them.
Porsche pretty much today is PDK or whatever.
Yeah.
You know, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is the last GT3 that was manual.
Another one running a red light. This is the last manual GT3?
I think so.
What year is this?
2010.
2010, that's awesome. You keep this for a while and this thing will be going up.
I think all normally aspirated cars are going to be going up the more electric cars they build.
Especially manuals.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, like you just said, they're making less and less manuals and everything. And that's the thing I was thinking about getting the Supra is, so they actually even have one, it's called the A91 MT. So the A91 is a special package with the manual transmission. They only made 500 of them. That'd be a really cool car to have.
It'd be a car you had, I mean, if you're looking at it for investment purposes, you'd have to keep the miles low on it.
Oh, of course. And then so Thunder Bunny, when I was just over there talking with Matt and them at Precision Wraps, they were talking about they're doing the GT4 Supra, which is the actual race car Supra that they came out with. And you needed a special allocation to get one of those. I don't even know how many of those they made, but they'll be wrapping one of those soon for Thunder Bunny, and that thing will be awesome.
So I'm taking this into Thunder Bunny Monday.
Yeah.
That's kind of hard to say, Thunder Bunny Monday.
Thunder Bunny Monday. I can't even say it. Thunder Bunny Monday. That's a good one for you guys.
I've got like 5 track days on this car, and then I drive it pretty much every day. So just getting like a pre-track day inspection done, changing all the fluids, checking the brakes, getting my radar detector and my dash cam hardwired in, and just going over everything. So it's ready for the next go. There's
pulling up on the Supra.
You got the little rain light in the back too, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
Does that flash or is that just reverse?
Both.
Cool.
Yes, sir. So we'll be leaving Vince here. But like I said, more content on the way. You guys will be seeing a lot more of me with Vince here. And we'll be doing all sorts of fun things. So hope you enjoyed the video today. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more coming soon. You got anything to say, Vince?
We're out.